Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween video, as you can see. This is Day of the Dead, and today this video is going to be sponsored by Kiss New York Professional, and here's what their logo looks like if you guys haven't seen it. But yeah, so today I'm going to use some of their makeup to create this look. I also have some studs, as you can see, that I got from a craft store. And yeah, so if you guys are interested to see this video, go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is fill in the eyes with the black circles. So I already have my base down. I have a very light foundation on. I have a white concealer on, and I just did a little bit of contouring with a gray eyeshadow as my base, and that's all I've done. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into the rest of the tutorial. So first thing I'm going to do is take the Kiss New York Pro Waterproof Wonders matte eyeliner. This is just in shade black. Going to outline the part of the eye I'm going to fill in, kind of like the hole in the eye. Alright, so I'm also take the eyeliner and I'm put it in my waterline and my tight line so there's no skin showing through. Alright, so now I'm going to grab this black eyeshadow. This is from the Goddess Artemis palette, so I'm going to grab the black right here. And I'm just going to press that all over the black that we have down because it's going to help set it. They'll help make it more matte so that it's more black. And I'm going to set everywhere except for my eyelids because I'm going to put a different color eyeshadow soon. And be careful with fallout because you definitely do not want this on your light base or else it's just going to kind of ruin it. So definitely tap your brush off and just pat onto the black. Alright, so from the Goddess Selene palette, I'm going to grab this purple right here. I'm going to use my fingers. I'm just going to pat it onto my eyelids. Now I'm going to use the Goddess Demeter palette and grab this gold eyeshadow. And I'm going to pop that right into the center of the eyelid, just like you see right here. So that there's purple on the outside and then a pop of gold on the inside. So now I'm going to take the same eyeliner and I'm just going to use the gold one. This is just shade gold. And I'm going to actually put that into my waterline, but I'm going to put it right at the center. Just give it like a little bit like a spotlight. Alright, for the nose I'm going to use the Magical Ink eyeliner. This is a felt tip eyeliner. Here's what the tip looks like. It's very fine, very sharp. So I'm kind of going to just do a traditional, like a skull nose, I guess you could say. So I'm going to put a dot right in the center. And then I'm going to put another one up here. These are going to be the tips of the nose. I'm going to kind of connect the dots. And I'm just going to grab these points right here and just kind of bring them around my nose and underneath. Alright, that's like the rough idea. So go ahead and fill this in and kind of clean up the edges and stuff. Alright, now I'm going to take the eyeliner and I'm going to kind of do those little loops that are traditionally around the eyes. I don't know what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about when I do it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take these gold jewels I found at a craft store, this one specifically at Joann's. I'm going to take eyelash glue and put them inside of all the little loops that I made. They just so happen to fit directly inside, so you can kind of use whatever, jewels kind of fit in there, or you can kind of make the loops the size that you need for your jewels. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. I'm going to take the black eyeliner again, and I'm going to draw some designs off of my face. I'm going to draw the traditional signs so you can look some up if you guys don't know, or like not signs but like markings and stuff. But right now I know I'm going to do a spider on my chin, so I'm going to go ahead and do that with the eyeliner. And I'm sharpening this every so often because I want to make sure it's going to be a sharp, clean line. So I'm going to do this, I'm just going to draw a few lines, and then I'm just going to go in between and do the little lines, the little like swoops. Alright, so I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner again for the teeth. I'm just going to draw teeth up and down all the way about halfway to this line. So I just used the black eyeliner for the spider on the forehead. Now to fill in the little center, I'm going to take one of those jewels again. I'm going to glue it right in the center, and I'm going to make it like a diamond shape. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your comments down below and your thoughts on this look, this video, any other future Halloween videos you want me to do as far as characters or any kind of style of video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Comment your thoughts down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.